Cleansers for oily skin. Today I'm going to tell you how to cleanse your skin properly and what to look for in a cleanser if you have oily skin or oily sensitive skin. So let's get started. So if you have oily skin, you want to cleanse in the morning in order to remove all the oil that has collected on your skin overnight. And at night, you want to again use a proper cleanser to remove the sunscreen and the makeup particles that have sat on your skin throughout the day so that you have a clean canvas for your nighttime skincare routine. So how to use a cleanser? First, you'll wet your face completely, then apply a dime-sized amount of the cleanser and lather it on your face. Leave it on for about 30 seconds and wash it off with cool water. Dab your face gently, or you can even let it air dry. When the skin is damp, you want to go ahead and apply a gel-based moisturizer on your skin. This helps in repairing skin barrier and reducing the stretchiness that you feel after washing your face. So using a moisturizer after cleansing is an important step that you should not forget. What are some of the things that you should not do? Using very harsh scrubs that tends to irritate the skin and cause micro tears on the surface of the skin. That is something you need to avoid. Along with that, trying to use daily exfoliants that can also irritate the skin a lot. Especially when you have oily skin, you feel that if you exfoliate a lot, it will help in removing the oil. But no, it'll also remove the upper layer of the skin, which can lead to more irritation and can make your oily sensitive skin even worse. Okay, so you want to use exfoliating agents very sparingly, maybe about once in a week. That's it. And avoid rubbing your face too harshly. Using a towel very harshly on the face can lead to more irritation and can also cause abrasions on the skin. So that is something you don't want to do. You want to be very gentle with the towel. Use a microfiber towel and just dab it so that you remove the excess water off. No need to harshly scrub the skin with a towel. Okay, so these are certain things that we tend to overlook sometimes, and that can worsen your oily skin or worsen your sensitive skin. So a few things to keep in mind. Now I'll tell you top 5 face wash recommendations if you have oily skin or sensitive skin. First is this Becalm salicylic acid face wash for oily skin. I recently tried this one and absolutely loved it. It is a face wash which can be used daily without irritating or drying your skin. It feels like it has cleansed your skin but without making it dry or stretchy. So this is a good face wash to use, especially if you have oily skin, oily sensitive skin, or even acne prone skin. It does not have soap and sulfate, yet it deeply cleanses quite well. It foams, yes, yet it is calming on the skin. So it doesn't dry your skin out or leave any kind of heavy residue behind. I get a lot of questions regarding fungal acne. So this does not have any ingredients that can feed the fungus. So your fungal acne will also not worsen. Okay. This is the unique aspect of this face wash, which makes it highly favorable for oily skin and oily and sensitive skin. This one is suitable for both men and women. So what does it have? It contains salicylic acid, which helps in reducing your oiliness on the skin and dead skin buildup, thereby reducing blackheads and whiteheads. It contains prebiotic, which helps in maintaining the microbiome of the skin and soothing the skin. It contains quaternarium 73, which has anti-acne agents. So it's an antibacterial which reduces the bacteria that causes acne, and has zinc PCA, which is soothing and anti-inflammatory and helps in calming and soothing the skin down, therefore making this perfect choice for oily and oily sensitive skin. The price is rupees 349 for 80 ml. Second is the Cerave foaming cleanser. This cleanser contains glycerine, ceramides, which are calming on the skin. It also has sodium lauryl lactylate, which is a gentle surfactant. It has a mild foam which does not dry the skin out. This is preferred for those with normal to oily skin. This one will be more suitable for people with slightly oily skin or who get oily towards the end of the day. If your skin is very, very oily, then this might not be enough. The price is 1149 for 236 ml. Third is the Cetaphil oily skin cleanser. This has sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium lauryl sarcosinate. SLS may be a slight issue for dry or normal skin, but for oily skin, it does help in cleansing the skin effectively. It has glycerine, panthenol, and castor oil to reduce dryness. The price is rupees 699 for 125 ml. Fourth is the Bioderma Sebium gel moussant. It has sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a surfactant. It has zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, which have antibacterial properties, mannitol and xylitol, which are humectants, and lactic acid, which causes gentle exfoliation and moisturizes the skin. It forms a slight foam to cleanse effectively. The price for this is rupees 800 for 100 ml. Fifth is Episoft OC Cleansing Gel. This has sodium lauryl glycoside along with hydroxypropyl sulfonate as well as cocamidopropyl betaine, all of which are very gentle surfactants on the skin. It also has glycerine and niacinamide. So this helps in cleansing the skin. So this will be suitable for oily and combination skin. It is priced at rupees 550 for 125 ml. Let me know if you want a separate video for cleansers for dry skin or dry sensitive skin. I'll make that too. I hope you found this video useful. If you like such skin and hair related content, do follow me on my Instagram handle Dr. Achal MD, where I post such skin and hair related content daily. Thank you for watching.